Okay, hello everyone. In this session, we are discussing on destructions of statistics. Till now, we discussed meaning of statistics, definition of statistics, functions of statistics, scope of statistics, limitations of statistics. Now, destructions of statistics. Destruction of statistics means while you are running a statistics, what are the destructions we are facing? While we are analyzing or studying the statistics, what are the distractions we may face? These are like distractions means the hurdles what we face while we are running with the statistics. So in this one, we should understand what could be the distractions of statistics while we are running the statistics. If you go for it, first one, sources of data not given. Yes, this is the major things. As we all know, statistics is dealing with data, dealing with the numbers. Before running with the statistic, the first step itself is collecting the data. While you are collecting the data, everyone will not give the data. It is very difficult to get the data. There are many data should be paid. There are many data are available at free of cost. So it is one of distractions what we are going to face. Data may not be given to do our analysis or research or to carry our statistics. So this is one of distractions what we are going to face. Defective data, yes, this is another one. Yes, sometimes we can get data easily, but once we get the data, there may be a defective in that. There may be a correct. There may be not correction in the. I mean, it may be not correct data. At the time, there may be a defections. There may be a defend or one positions or prove particular point. So when it is a defective data, it is very difficult to run the statistics. It is very difficult to run with the research or analysis. So this is another distractions what we are going to face in the statistics. So first one, data may not be given. Second one, data is available but it is a defective data. Next one is unrepresentative sample. The sample may turn out to be unrepresentative of the universe. One may choose a sample just on the basis of convenience. Yes, this is the one. Normally, who is running with the research or analysis, he is going to take his sample. He is going to select his sample. So it may be a unrepresentative. He may not show that. So sample what we has taken to analyze the research or run the statistics. This is another distraction what we are going to face while we are running the statistics. These are in this session we discussed destruction of statistics, in that sources of data not given, data may not be given, there may be a defective data, there may be unrepresentative samples. Normally, as statistics is dealing with samples, they may not show in the research or analysis. This is another distractions what we are going to face. Thank you.